Loud sound enters the human body through the ears as powerful pressure waves. These intense vibrations travel deep into the ear canal, stressing delicate inner structures. Sound signals rapidly overstimulate the auditory nerve, sending shock signals to the brain. The auditory cortex becomes highly active as the brain processes excessive noise. Prolonged, loud sound overloads the brain, triggering stress and neural imbalance. Stress signals spread through the nervous system, affecting the entire body. The heart rate increases as stress hormones flood the bloodstream. Muscles tighten automatically, preparing the body for perceived danger. Continuous exposure damages sensitive ear cells, leading to hearing problems. Mental fatigue develops as the brain struggles to recover from constant noise. Protect your hearing because silence is essential for a healthy life.